Teacher Zubeda Chandio, Headmistress Madam Shanaz Lakho, Subject Biology. Dear students, today we will learn about chromosomes, structure, types, and functions. So let's start. Chromosomes are thread-like structure, appear at the time of cell division, includes found in a specific manner made up of chromatin material in eukaryotic cell. They contain heredity units called gene. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and basic protein, histones, appear during the cell division in the shape of rod. It has two parts, arms and centromere. The term chromosome is given by German biologist, embryologist Walter Fleming in 1882 when he was examining the rapidly dividing cells of salamander larvae. Types of chromosomes. The chromosomes are of different types depending upon position of centromere. These types are metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric or subtelocentric, telocentric. We will discuss one by one. Metacentric, in which chromosomes with equal arms. Number 2, submetacentric means chromosomes with unequal arms. 3. Acrocentric or subtelocentric, rod-like chromosomes with one arm very small and other very long. The centromere is subterminal. Fourth is telocentric, location of centromere at the end of chromosomes. In the beginning of cell division, each chromosome is consist of two genetically identical copies of thread attached with each other called chromatids or sister chromatids. Structure of chromosomes. Each chromosomes in eukaryotes are composed of chromatin fiber, which is made up of nucleosome. Chromatin fiber are packed by proteins into a condensed structure called chromatin. Chromatin allow the very long DNA molecules to fit into the cell nucleus. During cell division, chromatin condense further to form microscopically visible chromosomes. The structure of chromosomes varies through the cell division. Each species has a characteristic set of chromosomes with respect to number and organization. Each chromosome has constriction point called the centromere, which divides the chromosome into two sections or arm. Short arm called P arm and the long arm called Q arm. Humans have 23 pair of chromosomes, 1 to 22 pair called autosomes, 1 pair of sex chromosomes XY. Parents contribute 1 chromosome of each pair to an offspring. Of chromosomes. The main function of chromosomes is to carry the genetic material from one generation to another. Chromosomes play an important role and act as guiding force in the growth, reproduction, repair, regeneration processes that is important for the survival. Chromosomes protect the DNA from getting tangled and damaged. Sometimes chromosomes is also responsible for genetic diversity. I hope this lecture will be helpful to understand chromosomes clearly. Thank you.